Welcome to GM Donda's e-learning class. In today's session, our subject is science. Now we are going to study chapter number 6, the environment. You all are already knowing this word environment, right? What is environment? Let us recollect. In the natural surroundings where the human beings and all other living things are surviving, that is known as a environment. This you all are knowing, right? Environment. But here one new word is there, ecology. What is ecology? Ecology means the study of living things in their natural surroundings is called ecology. And whoever study this ecology, that persons are knowing as a ecologist. जो भी ये इकोलॉजी की स्टडी करता है वो पर्सन को हम इकोलॉजिस्ट कहेंगे. क्या बोला इकोलॉजी के लिए? एनवायरनमेंट की जो नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट है जिसमें हम सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं उनकी स्टडी करना, दैट इज़ नोन एज अ इकोलॉजी. और ये स्टडी जो पर्सन करता है दैट पर्सन इज नोन एज अ इकोलॉजिस्ट. By the end of this chapter, what you will learn, how the human activities affect the environment. Means whatever activities we are doing, right? We are shouting or we are polluting the water or we are polluting the air, that we will come to know how we are doing, how we are affecting in damaging the environment. Then effect of air, water and soil and noise pollution. इसकी क्या इफेक्ट आ रही है and what kind of steps we can take to reduce all the damages or to control the pollution and to conserve the natural resources, that we will understand by ending of the chapter. Living thing and non-living things make up an environment. दोनों साथ में मिलके environment बनाते हैं. Just we have learnt in the last chapter interdependence, right? We depend on non-living things and non-living things depend on the us, and altogether it makes the environment. As we have seen in the lesson number 5, each living things depend on other living things and non-living things, that is interdependence, right? Environmental problems. What kind of problems are there in the environment? We can alter the environment to suit our needs. Now what is alter? Any kind of change. Altering the environment can also sometimes seriously damage. Environment में change लाना, it also damage the environment. We alter the environment by which reasons? What we are doing, right? The human activities such as cutting down the forests to make space for the developing cities and farms, hunting animals for the fancy clothing and cosmetics, and dumping waste from the factories and homes or else from the hospitals into the water bodies and into the soil. What we are dumping in the soil? Any kind of plastic wrappers, tins that we are throwing on the soil and it damages the environment. Why? Because it doesn't get rotted, right? This way many kind of activities we are doing to damage the environment. Releasing smokes and harmful gases from the vehicles and factories, right? And that this is also pollute the air and environment. So these activities harm the atmosphere by polluting air, water and land. Eroding soil, warming the atmosphere and causing extinction of the several kind of animals and plants. Now what is the word extinction? जो है वो नहीं होना, that is known as a extinction, right? Now pollution, you all are knowing this word, very much knowing pollution. Many times you have heard from the third standard that pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is the release of substances into the air, water or the soil that are harmful to the environment or and for the living ones. That is known as a pollution. And whatever substances are polluting this all, that substances are called pollutants. Right? Now pollution is a big environmental problem, such a huge problem. Because of that, many kind of damages are being done to the environment. The main kind of environmental pollution are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. These are the main pollutions. Now air pollution. First we understand this first one, air pollution. Most of air pollution is because of burning of fuels to run vehicles and smoke from the chimneys of the factories. Here you can see in the pictures how the smoke is coming out from the chimney of the factory, right? And it mixes into the air and by this the air get polluted, right? Power station also, the smoke and harmful gases pollute the air. Now because of the air, what is happening? उससे क्या होता है? ये air pollution से what kind of damage, what kind of diseases are occurring? An excess of pollution in the air makes it unfit for breathing. The human and the other living things facing the breathing problem and result in a number of disease of the respiratory. कौन से type के disease होते हैं? Respiratory disease like asthma and all, right? Many people living in areas with heavy air pollution suffers from the breathing problem and the lungs damages. You might have sometimes heard in the news at Delhi, sometimes they declared the red alert and all, right? And in the Delhi there is a maximum air pollution is there. Why? Because population is too much, right? And because of that there is too much air pollution. Now global warming. Because of the air pollution, burning of fuels increase the level of carbon dioxide. As you all know that vehicles and factories, whatever kind of smokes are given out, that is all are carbon dioxide, right? And carbon dioxide and some other gases trap heat. वो heat को trap करता है. And this may results in the increase of the temperature. And it also damage the atmosphere. The effect of the heating and the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect, and the gases are called greenhouse gases. The greenhouse effect causes an increase in the temperatures around the world. ये greenhouse effect से क्या होता है? Temperature increase होता है, और not only in India, it is around the world. This is called the global warming. इसे global warming कहते हैं. Scientists have detected an increase in the temperature of atmosphere in the past 100 years. उन्होंने last 100 years का atmosphere जो whatever temperature is there they have studied and उन्होंने ये नोटिस किया, they डिटेक्टेड दैट इट विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज, ये इंक्रीज होता ही रहेगा, इट विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज। आज जितना है 2-4 साल के बाद इससे और टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। दे हैव वार्न्ड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग द आइस एट द प्लेसेस ऑन द माउंटेन्स विल स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग। जो ग्लेशियर्स होते हैं दैट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग, माउंटेन पे जो भी वॉट एवर स्नोज आर देयर दैट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग। मेल्ट होना मतलब पिघलना, राइट? रिजल्टिंग इन द राइज ऑफ सी लेवल्स। इससे क्या होता है, पानी ज़्यादा मेल्ट होके पानी बनता है एंड इट मिक्सेस इन द सी एंड सी लेवल विल बी राइजन अप, सी लेवल ऊपर आता जाता है। दिस विल ऑल्सो रिजल्ट इन द फ्लडिंग ऑफ कोस्टल एरियाज। और इससे और क्या इफेक्ट आएगी, द कोस्टल एरियाज विल फेस द फ्लड्स एंड ऑल, राइट? नाउ रिमूवल ऑफ द ओजोन लेयर, इससे ओजोन लेयर भी रिमूव होता जाता है। Some of the pollutants gases affect the ozone, some of the pollutant gases affect the ozone layer. We have already learned that the ozone layer protects living things from ultraviolet rays. ओजोन हमें क्या करता है, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है, which are very much harmful for human beings, right? For all the animals, living ones. Scientists have detected holes in the ozone. ओजोन लेयर में उन्हें होल दिखाई दिए हैं, which result in the ultraviolet rays reaching the earth. मतलब in the ozone layer they found the holes, उनमें होल हो गए हैं, and because of that ultraviolet rays now reaching to the earth, causing skin cancer and eye problem and so on. और मतलब उससे और क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, विच काइंड ऑफ डिजीज वी फेस, स्किन कैंसर, स्किन की बीमारियाँ तरह तरह की, राइट? इचिंग एंड दैट इज नॉर्मल, बट बहुत और सारी बीमारियाँ हो सकती है, एंड आई प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो। Sometimes it may result into the acid rain. Coal is burnt to generate electricity. In thermal power plants, the harmful gases release and mix with the water. And because of that, ये जो हार्मफुल गैसेस होते हैं जो वाटर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं, राइट? द वाटर वेपर इन द एयर एंड फॉर्म हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस कॉल्ड द एसिड्स। इससे जो वाटर वेपर बनती है दैट इज मिक्स इन द एयर एंड सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड द एसिड्स। इसको क्या कहेंगे, एसिड कहते हैं। दिस एसिड्स कम्स डाउन विद द रेन। ये जो एसिड बनी है इट कम डाउन विद द रेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर ओनली, राइट? एंड प्लांट्स एंड इट कोज डैमेज टू द सॉइल, प्लांट्स एंड बिल्डिंग्स। सभी चीज़ों को डैमेज करता है। सच रेन्स आर नोन एज अ एसिड रेन्स। नाउ water pollution. First we have understand air pollution, now water pollution, right? Water get polluted when waste from the industries, farms, sewage from the homes and the hospitals is thrown into the rivers, lakes, oceans and streams. What is sewage now? This is again new word for you, right? waste water mixed with the human waste, that is known as a sewage. Now what kind of disease it may occur? Drinking water that is polluted with the sewage contain germs. Sewage में जो germs होते हैं that mix with the drinking water. Drinking this water can cause the disease such as dysentery, jaundice है ना, टाइफॉइड, राइट। तो किस टाइप के आपको डिजीज हो सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द जर्मफुल वाटर? डिसेंट्री, जॉन्डिस है ना, टाइफॉइड। नाउ इफेक्ट ऑन वाटर एनिमल्स। ये जो वाटर पॉल्यूट होता है उसकी नॉट ओनली ऑन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, इट इफेक्ट द वाटर एनिमल्स, मीन्स एनिमल्स विच आर लिविंग इन द वाटर, इट harms them also. Waste from the factories contain poisonous substances, all the chemical types of substances which affect and often kill fishes and other water animals. You can feel ill when you drink this kind of water also. अभी हम ये पानी ऐसा पीते हैं तो we also may feel ill. और eat fish, जो ऑलरेडी इफेक्टेड है जो फिश, अगर उसको किसी ने खाई है that will affect to the human being. That person will also get affected by it. Now soil and land pollution. Farmers are using chemical to kill the weeds and insects. फार्मर्स जो होते हैं वो अपने प्लांट को जल्दी अच्छे से ग्रो होने के लिए क्या करते हैं? दे यूज द केमिकल, राइट, टू किल दैट इंसेक्ट्स एंड द weeds. दे ऑल्सो यूज द फर्टिलाइजर टू ग्रो मोर क्रॉप्स. फर्टिलाइजर भी यूज करते क्रॉप्स को अच्छे से और ज़्यादा उसमें प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए. When they use too much of these chemicals, बहुत ही ज़्यादा जब ये chemicals यूज करते हैं, the soil gets polluted and because of this what happen? जो soil होती है it gets polluted. When it rains, this chemical gets washed into the wells. जब बारिश आती है तब ये जो केमिकल प्लांट्स पे डाला है इट फ्लो विद द वाटर इनटू द वेल्स, दिस रिवर्स एंड लेक्स एंड द पॉइजन द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. पानी पीने के पानी को क्या कर देता है? खराब कर देता है. पॉइजनस वेस्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्रीज ऑल्सो समटाइम्स बरीड इन द फैक्ट्रीज में से जो पॉइजनस वेस्ट होता है दैट ऑल्सो बरीड इन द लैंड एंड पॉल्यूट्स, लैंड को पॉल्यूट करता है. वी थ्रो सॉलिड वेस्ट सच एज प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, प्लास्टिक बैग्स, केन्स, ग्लास बॉटल्स, old machine parts, rubber tubes and tires, cans, just now I told you earlier, cans and all, it all kind of garbage dumps on the land and this cannot be easily destroyed. ये rot नहीं होता है, right? And plastic does not rot for many years. It takes more than 100 of years to get mixed. If plastic is burnt, it gives out poisonous fumes, which is turn causes an or air pollution, right? So this way land and soil also get polluted. Noise pollution. See, this is very much important for you to understand, children. Loud noise, you all are like, right? Loud music and you also shout and scream in the class, right? Loud noise from the vehicles, loudspeakers and machineries can harm the people. In which way it harms the people? By damaging their ears and all. It causes high blood pressure and deafness in the people and animals. उनको deafness मतलब अभी मैंने बोला it damage our ears, right? So this kind of noise pollution. Do you know living near the airports, it's also cause the noise pollution, and because of that it also harmful for our ears. Even loud music, we are going to the parties and all, and that the loud music, right? And that also cause the deafness. Now natural resources. See this, we have learned what kind of pollutions are there. Now what are the natural resources? Our survival on the earth depends on the things that we get from our environment, from our nature, right? We get air, water, soil, food, fuels, minerals, materials, clothes, and building material for the building and homes also from our environment. The things that we get from the environment are known as a natural resources. जो भी हमें nature से, whatever we get from the nature, that are known as a natural environment. Natural resources. We are using more this natural resources today. हम ये natural resources का बहुत ही use करते हैं, right? Then we did some years back, बहुत सालों पहले जो जितना यूज़ करते थे उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अभी हम ये सारी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. For example, we are using more petrol and a diesel today that we were using earlier before. बहुत सालों पहले व्हीकल ही नहीं थे तो we were not using petrol, diesel and all, right? But nowadays we are using too much of petrol and diesel because all are using the vehicles and all, right? Due to the large number of the factories and vehicles, scientists predict that, what they predict मतलब उन्होंने क्या बोला है आगे के लिए, that the petrol and diesel available on the earth will be run out during this century. ये century को ख़त्म होते होते बराबर there won't be any petrol or any kind of diesel available on the earth. हमें वो बाद में मिलेगा ही नहीं, right? Also, as you saw earlier, we are polluting natural resources such as air, water and soil because of our human activities, right? So these all are getting damaged. What can we do? हम क्या कर सकते हैं to not stop? पूरा stop तो नहीं कर सकते, but we can somehow overcome from that situation. We have now started taking some steps to save our natural resources, but a lot has to be done. अभी बहुत थोड़ा शुरू कर दिया है but बहुत सारा करना अभी बाकी है. Scientists are trying to use wind and solar energy, right, instead of the fuels like coal and petrol. Besides, the use of wind and or a solar energy does not cause any pollution, जो pollution भी नहीं करता है, right? Efforts to control pollution of air, water and land are being stepped up. ये अभी step by step करना शुरू किया है. Vehicles and factories are being forced to install the machines to convert the poisonous substance into harmless ones बिफोर रिलीजिंग द इनटू द एयर एंड वाटर। मतलब अभी फैक्ट्रीज में कौन से टाइप की मशीनरी को डेवलप किया जाता है टू कन्वर्ट द पॉइजनस सब्सटेंस जो एयर और सॉइल और वाटर को डैमेज करता है, ऐसे वाले सब्सटेंस है उनको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और इट कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू द अदर वे। द गवर्नमेंट एंड पीपल शुड मेक श्योर दैट दिस स्टेप्स आर फॉलोड स्ट्रिक्टली। ये जो स्टेप्स लेने हैं दैट वी शुड फॉलो स्ट्रिक्टली टू स्टॉप द environment damage, getting damage. Cutting down of trees is being reduced and more trees are being planted. बहुत सारे ट्रीज कट हो रहे हैं तो उसे रोकना है। कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज इज बीइंग रिड्यूस, और हमें और नए प्लांट्स भी प्लांट करने हैं टू कंजर्व द सॉइल एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। ट्रीज हेल्प टू रिमूव द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम एटमोस्फियर, विच क्या होगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कंट्रोल करके वी कैन नाउ ओजोन लेयर को हम रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, राइट। Release into the atmosphere. Organizations such as the World Wildlife Fund (WWF) and the International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources (IUCN) encourage people to save forests and wildlife. Now, air pollution can be reduced if people use public transport instead of personal transport. If we use the public transport like bus, cars, and people should walk or a cycle to the short distance instead of using the vehicles. This way we can reduce the air pollution. Farmers should be taught safer ways of farming के सेफर वेज सीखने चाहिए फार्मर्स को। ग्रेटर यूज ऑफ कंपोस्ट शुड बी एनकरेज। जो डिकम्पोस्ट होता है वैसे फर्टिलाइजर का यूज ज़्यादा करें। देन द यूज ऑफ प्लास्टिक बैग्स विच हैज़ बिकम द मेन कॉज ऑफ लैंड पॉल्यूशन एंड दिस इज द बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन in front of us, right? Should be discouraged or banned. जैसे अभी plastic almost banned only, then also we are using, but we should start reducing the use of plastic bags. Glass bottles, jars, metals, cans, plastic bags, plastic items also, a newspaper and so on should be reduced as far as possible. They should also be recycled to make the other things. ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं उनका रिसाइकल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That can reduce the land and soil pollution, right? So what we have learned, I have explained all the pollutions, right? Effect of the pollution on the skin and other global warming and all, and how we can conserve that by taking some steps towards to save our environment, right? So this was all for the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.